Community is created in the co-op starting from the moment that somebody walks in. One of the most commonly used words to describe the co-op is friendly. The Sugar Beet is located just west of Chicago, so we get to pull from all over the Midwest and also a lot of urban agriculture that's in Chicago proper. Everything in the department is organic and quite a bit of it is local on top of that. How much produce travels impacts your carbon footprint. Also, we are giving back to our community when we buy from manufacturers and producers in our area, so that's really key for us. Sustainability is a piece of everything that we do here, from the support and sustenance of our staff through the products that we choose, all the way into the community, the environment, the planet. We just got done doing an edible garden tour that's in this area that focuses on gardens that are using their green space to grow food rather than grass. While being a small business, the Rubicon contest was impactful on the co-op because we were able to help offset some of the healthcare costs, insurance costs for our staff for the first time. When they contacted me to talk about the piece that they were going to put together, one of the things that sparked in that conversation was how excited we got when we got a compost dumpster. We had been not able to compost our waxed cardboard boxes, which is what a lot of our produce comes in, and wouldn't have been able to do it at this point in the business if we hadn't won the contest.